Hey everybody, this is Nate over at Easy Storage Solutions. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to get your unit sizes entered. And this is the first step of the data entry process. At this point you would have already seen an email like this from us called Site and Software Live. This email just shows you all the details that you need to get logged into the software and kind of get started. And so you'll find this email and you'll click on your link that will take you to your website. From here in the top right corner there's a button that says make a payment, log in. You'll want to log in with your credentials that we put in that email, and then your software will look similar to this. You've probably seen it before, but it will have these tabs at the top, and then under each tab will be sub-tabs. So you'll go to the Units tab and then to the sub-tab Unit Types. That's where we're going to be working in this step. What we're doing here is we're just entering sizes of units. We're not entering the individual units yet. That comes in the next step. So for this step, we just want to create the sizes of the units. To do that, in the top right corner there's a new unit type button. Click on that and it'll take you to this page. On this page there's only two of these fields that are actually required. All the other ones are optional, but the two that are required are the size of the unit and then the price of the unit. So you can just do those two and hit create unit type if you want, or depending on how you run your facility you can put in more data. So let's say we're going to do a 5 by 5 size unit, and if you want to omit the height you can put 0 in here. If not, you'll just put the height. If you have two 5 by 5 size units at your facility and maybe they're differentiated by some way, you'll want to do that through the name field. So maybe one's climate controlled and one's not. You'll want to differentiate them through that name field up at the top. There's an image where you can put in an image. This will display on the website. I pulled one off of Google just to show. You can maybe search on Google. This is a 5 by 5 and it just shows maybe what will fit in that size unit. So you can upload those images there. You can put a description. You know, this size unit is 25 square feet. It will fit a dresser and some chairs, something like that. You can enter a deposit for the unit, the setup fee name. You can change the name and put in an amount of a setup fee that you'd like to charge. They're all pretty self-explanatory, but basically you can charge more than one deposit. You can put a reservation price if you're going to allow reservations. Put the price of the unit, this is the other required field, and then if you're going to charge tax or not. This might be dependent on your state self-storage association laws. Each state has maybe different laws that you want to be familiar with. Also, insured or not, this is just if you're going to insure this size of unit or not. You can check or uncheck that. There's some other settings elsewhere in the software we'll show you later on, where you can set up insurance or tax rates and things like that. But that's how you create a unit type. So you just hit that button at the end, create unit type, and then the climate controlled 5 by 5 is right here. So notice how right here under the units column there's no unit set up yet for this unit size. That comes in the second step. So this is just purely just the sizes of the units. Just remember that. We've had some people try to put every unit as a unit size, and then that just causes a mess. So make sure you watch the next step before you enter the individual unit numbers. Thanks for watching, and we'll go on to the next video. Thanks.